Did you see that? One of his engines went.
Yeah, he's right on full start.
Cool. That is amazing. He's gonna have to go though. The Emirates is gonna have to go though.
That's close, that, isn't it?
No, that's just too close.
He's gone around.
Oh my god!
Seen it on the runway just last minute there, look.
Das Mikro schon kratzen hat.